So there's this tree on our property. It's a big old white pine, but unfortunately it's very dead. So today is November 24th, day before US Thanksgiving 2021, and I have a crew that is going to come here to cut down this tree. And in the spring, we're going to take this tree and do planks out of it. And eventually, once that wood dries, I have a very special project to do with this. So we hired a crew of 3 guys to come up and cut down a couple of trees, a total of 5 on our property. And the big one, of course, was this big pine. So the leader of the group put on some special spurs and a bunch of equipment around his waist, and he started to climb up the tree, and every so often he would stop and take out a relatively small chainsaw and cut down the branches so that he could keep moving up the tree. It was a pretty efficient process. While one guy was climbing up the tree and another one was cutting down the other 4 or 5 that needed to be cut on the property, there was one who would stay on the bottom, and every so often when he would hear the chainsaw stop working, he would go ahead and grab a bunch of branches and put them together. And this crew had this small little tractor that would grab a bunch of branches, and you'll see later this thing is actually pretty powerful. It actually grabbed a whole section of the tree, and that enabled them to move all the debris as they were doing the work. Alright, here's the fun part. Now that the guys made it to the top, yep, here it goes. First section comes straight down. So the first 2 sections of the tree were saved so that we could stack the other 5 sections on top of them. And you'll see at the end the way that that's been stacked. Here's the second section coming way down. And here comes section number 3, and this is actually the first one that I'm going to be able to convert into boards next spring. Timber! Wow. No idea how much one of these logs actually weighs, but you'll see that this little tractor does very short work of moving them around. Here comes the final big section of the tree. This thing's going to be cut into 3 pieces in the end. Alright, so it's been about a week since we got the tree cut down, and you'll notice that weather has changed. The last thing I wanted to mention is that these logs have now been stacked on
2 stumps from the top of the tree. And the other thing too is that I painted some of this product on the ends of the trees. This is by Armor All. It's a wood preservative, so the exposed wood has been protected. In the spring, take these logs, put them on a wood miser, and make some planks. And then once the wood is dried, do something nice. Thanks for watching, gang. Hope to see you soon. Have a good one.